with the young kids, it's all about the relationship with them. I've got all the time. I've got young kids, men and women. I call them boys and girls. Sometimes I usually young men and women that, are academically smart, and can grasp at the stuff very quickly. And I have other kids that, are smart. They just haven't figured out they're smart yet. And they kind of beat themselves down, and I keep trying to stand them up. No, it's like, just because they finished before you doesn't mean they're smarter than you. It just means they learn differently than you. And so it's some of the kids, they learn 100% hands-on, and others can learn from reading a book. And that's the way it is. And part of teaching is remembering that you're also a mentor. Am I trying to teach them content? Yes. But I'm also trying to mentor them into understanding right from wrong, understanding how to be a member of a team, how to communicate, how to help your fellow coworkers. And so those soft skills are the absolute priority of our program before anything else. Because once you get those soft skills down, the technical training is easy.